A creative branding agency specializing in large format printing, lit signs and custom fabrications. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we take a look at the newly rebranded Iprint Group and its business expansion. Here's Aisha Nation.
Iprint Digital, a local printage, signage and outdoor advertising solutions company, now Iprint Group. From humble beginnings with under 4 employees to over 150.
Starting off as with 200 square feet in a small little room on Annex Crescent in Main Event to where we are now is truly remarkable, and I have to give thanks. Purchasing anyway, we moved from a company with 80 employees to now 150 employees.
Chairman of Iprint Group, Stephen Steele, says the 15-year-old company will be above pre-pandemic levels by April next year. Their growth came with lessons which allowed the company to expand.
When you have an organization with 10 employees and it moves to 50, right, you naturally have to make the adjustments in order to manage that amount of people. So every single time you have to look within yourself and put in the structures and things in place to manage that type of growth, or else it will be short-lived.
Mr. Steele says projections for the company in the short and long term remain buoyant despite economic challenges. He says it continues to make moves, growing its market share.
The growth that we have had now, from a superstructural point of view, we have Iprint Group there and all of our brands underneath Iprint Group, and we have set ourselves up because the sky is the limit. I don't know, I never knew that I would even be here talking to you 10 years ago, right? And I certainly do not know where I'll be 10 years from now, but I just know that I'll be in a much better position than where I am now.
But with growth comes challenges. Mr. Steele says the pandemic as well as supply chain challenges have hit the company with high freight costs.
In retrospect, looking on it there, we were scared that our business would be done, and now I feel as if there is nothing that can stop me now.
Iprint Group now has 3 companies: Iprint Digital, Catch Wi-Fi and IP Express, its e-commerce platform launched in 2021. Its 1-year-old Catch Wi-Fi service offers free Wi-Fi with pop-up advertisements from which it earns revenue. The services are being offered in a number of parishes. From individual to corporate clients, Iprint has completed more than 1,000 traditional and electric billboards. For the Business Review, I'm Aisha Nation.